Welcome to Primetime Kids, where the biggest stories are made just for you. I'm your host, Lauren. Let's check out today's top stories. Our first story is taking us straight to the water. That's right. Scientists in Jamaica are taking a close look at something we all see around us, our beautiful coastline. Scientists from the University of the West Indies, the UK's CFAS, and Jamaica's National Environment and Planning Agency are working together to monitor the quality of our coastal waters. After Hurricane Melissa, scientists want to find out how the storm may have affected our coastal environment. So, if you see a scientist collecting water samples, remember, they could be helping us understand what's happening beneath the surface. From the sea, we're heading straight to the farm. And this story is about plants, food, and science. Farmers are working to recover crops after Hurricane Melissa, and scientists are helping them figure out how to get plants growing again. Researchers are testing different ways to help plants recover again and what treatments can help them to nourish. This kind of research could help Jamaican farmers recover crops and continue producing the food we need. So science isn't only happening inside a lab. Sometimes it's happening right in the soil. Now, that's growing with science. And lastly, this story is taking us somewhere we can't see with our eyes, inside the human body. Scientists at the University of the West Indies are using genetic information, also known as DNA, to research diseases and explore new ways to develop new medicines. This is important because the more scientists learn about our bodies, the better they can understand diseases and look for ways to detect problems earlier to keep us safe. Remember kids, keep asking questions, keep being curious, and keep exploring. I'm Lauren, and that's your science update from Primetime Kids.
Stay tuned, watch and win. We'll be right back.
Hey mini scientists, welcome back to Watch and Win's Science Zone. We are officially starting our first experiment. We are going to create a volcano eruption.
But not the real one, unless you like cleaning lava off the ceiling.
Yup, that's right. Here's what you need for this experiment. Vinegar, food coloring, dish, some dishwashing liquid, and baking soda.
Fun fact, did you know that Jamaica is formed near a volcanic arc?
That's pretty cool. But to get started, first put some baking soda in your volcano. Whoa!
Add a few drops of food coloring. We're using red for real lava vibes.
Ooh, this is so cool.
Remember not to add too much. I think I'll add a little bit more.
Then add some dish soap. This makes the lava foamy and bubbly, not just splashy.
Maybe a little bit more, Maddie.
Okay. Whoa.
Now here comes the real science. Pour in your vinegar and watch your volcano come to life.
a masterpiece. Wow, look at this glue.
Whoa! Now look at it go! When vinegar, which is an acid, meets baking soda, which is a base, it creates an explosion.
That's exactly how volcanoes work. Pressure builds up underground, then boom! Except real volcanoes use hot melted rocks. We use kitchen stuff, which is much safer.
Madison, this was so much fun. Do you want to do another experiment?
Sure! Let's go!
For this experiment, we're going to be blowing bubbles. But not just any bubbles, rainbow bubbles.
Here's what you need from the kitchen and your craft jar. 2 plastic bottles cut in half, 2 baby wipes, food coloring, dish soap, water and a plate.
Firstly, take your bottle, which should be already cut in half. Stretch your baby wipe over the big opening and secure it with an elastic band. This will be our bubble maker.
Now for the fun part, use food coloring to add your colors onto the baby wipes.
On your plate, make sure you have your soapy water ready to dip your bottle in.
After the wipe has been dipped into the soapy water, blow into the small opening of the bottle and watch your experiment come to life.
Whoa! Did you see those bubbles? It's like a rainbow snake. The colors just kept on coming.
Now here's the cool part. This isn't just fun, it's science. When you blow into the bottle, air moves throughout the wipe and mixes with the soapy water. And that creates bubbles. Lots and lots of tiny bubbles join together.
So you're basically turning soap and air into a bubble masterpiece.
Science is all about testing different things. So don't be afraid to try different colors, patterns, and ways. And remember, if you need help cutting the bottle or setting things up, always ask an adult to help you.
Okay kids, that's all for our bubble fun today. Remember kids, stay curious, keep experimenting, and keep being amazing scientists.